Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just like pull this whole thing out. Let's see if it works. Wow, this is cool. Now let's see if it comes out. Yeah, it comes out. Comes out. Imagine having your brows on and with some water, they fall off. No, no, no ma'am.
Big no ma'am. No ma'am.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be trying out some eyebrows. Now with these eyebrows, I did not know that it came in various shapes, sizes and all of that, but it came in the packaging and I didn't realize which one I chose. So hat off to me for being, I don't even know what. So obviously I cannot try it out on my eyebrows unless we are going to, but if you want to see me do whatever I'm going to be doing, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, this was 25 rand and I paid 100 rand for shipping because I'm stupid. And yeah, I'm stupid. So I'm assuming they water transfer. It is elegant. So okay, let's just pull this part out here. So it's come with the sheet here thingy. I've tried these things before. Not the eyebrows, but like water decals and everything. So that's cool. No, I ain't doing that. So I'm thinking, let me just cut this like super fine. So this is what they look like in this, their eyebrows. So it's supposed to be like this. My eyebrows are literally so much thicker, so it's like of no use me putting this because we are not going to see it on my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is just take it and place it at the back of my hand. But this, I will link down the site of where I got it from so you guys can get it. But they do come in different shape and sizes. Now I've got a bowl of water right in front of me. So I took a cotton ball and I dipped a bowl of water. Now I'm going to just continue patting this onto my hand. Hopefully it transfers. I think I'm just gonna wait. I think it's a little sticky. I was so stupid, I didn't realize that I took one that was too thin. So I still can feel it on my hand, but I don't feel like any transfer yet. Maybe we should just wait a bit. Okay, so okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just like pull this whole thing out. Let's see if it works. Wow, this is cool. Now let's see if it comes out. Yeah, it comes out. Comes out. Imagine having your brows on and with some water, they fall off. No, no, no ma'am.
Big no ma'am. No ma'am.
So guys, this comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We just use one pair, so this comes in 18. It has like a whole lot of drawing thing here at the back. It says it's the location of the brow size. It has like the center part, like this arch part here, and then it's 60 centimeters, no, It's 60 millimeters, and then 60 millimeters on the other side. This thing is a bit tacky, like the eyelash glue. That's what I don't like. And yeah, so I was just stupid enough not to buy the correct size. And will I be trying this again? No, I do not like it. And I'm thinking maybe we should give the other one a shot. Let's just try it for the sake of it, since we already got it out. So let's just put it on the top here. Maybe we wet it too much, so let me just put some. Maybe we wet it too much. Let's just place it and hold it. Yeah, maybe I should just like press it down on that part. Yeah, it's actually working. I can feel it. You can feel like the transfer part. Oh yeah, see, this is a whole lot better. But like, okay, let's wait for it to dry. Now if we rub. Okay, it's a lot harder to come on now that when we rub as compared to, but you can even see like the fine lines coming out. But I think it's better if you try it like this way. If you compare this one with this one, it's going to be a whole lot better if you leave it to dry on its own and just like press down the part where the eyebrow actually is. So guys, I'd give this maybe like a 4. I wouldn't use it, but like maybe I'd use it on clients, but like maybe put setting spray after that, but like that's if they really need it. So guys, this was my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed experimenting with me. I am so excited that we actually got to do this. I bought this a while ago and I only love it now. So as I said, the link will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.